Hey guys, all right, so like I've been at MIA for a while because I have been dealing with an issue that has occurred in my fiance's life, and I haven't had videos on for a while, and I was bound and determined that I was going to do this video, and I got these packages like a month ago or more, and I haven't opened them so that I can open them with y'all, because I was buying my candle supplies from candlesupplies.com, I think it was, or something, and they went out of business selling candle supplies. All they sell is fragrances now, and they have a whole different page that they do it on. And so I had to find another supplier, and I guess a lot of y'all might have to be doing that too. So I bought from it said, it was so long I forgot the name of the website. Let's see, it says it came from candlesandsupplies.com. So let's see what we got. They were very helpful as to what kind of wax I needed to get. They were very helpful with their website. I found their website a little difficult to work with, but I was able to get some customer service that helped me with exactly what I needed. I have an invoice. I love companies that send me an invoice with my package so I can put it in my receipts, and I also know what I paid for stuff. And because I forget, and I don't want to go look at the email, and I don't want to print the email. I just want to pull out that receipt, look at what I bought, what I paid for it, and stick it in my receipt bins for the tax man. So anyway, so I'm not too fond of this, I'll have to tell you. These coming individual and not in a plastic bag is a real pain in the butt, because then they get dusty. And when I bought from candlesupplies.com, these were in a big plastic bag, and so they didn't get dusty from time to time when I was using them. But these are the breakaway 6-cavity tart clamshells, and so now I'm gonna have to put them in something and keep them from getting dusty, and get them apart. Okay, so here is the little clamshell, and they snap together really nice. You put your label on the front if you want a label, and you can put your wax tarts in here. They work with essential oils and wax and fragrance and wax. And I bought 99 of those at 25 cents a piece. So I paid $24.75 for 99 of them. And there's another section of these in the box. I'm going to put them back in there since they're not in a bag. And then I bought wicks, and I got 4 packages of 25 wicks. And that's a package of 25. These are the zinc wicks, and I talked to them and asked them what kind I should get, because I'm not too good at that kind of stuff, because I don't make candles for a living all the time. I make a few candles every so many months to just fill a shelf of candles here in the shop. So I'll buy up 100 of these. By the time I use them, I don't even know what I bought last time. These are 5 inches long. And I paid $2.99 for every pack of 25, and they've got the little metal flat bottom on them, and they seem like very nice ones, and they're in plastic bags so they don't get dusty. So that's what I got there. And then I bought their wax, let's see, I talked to them about what kind of wax I should get for making container candles and the tarts, and they advised me with what kind, and they were very helpful. I didn't find their website as easy to use as the one I was using that went out of business. Seems like it was Peak Candle Supplies. That's what it was, Peak Candle Supplies. Well, the wax is very nice. It looks like it's pellet wax instead of the flakes. So these it looks more like the beeswax that you get when you buy beeswax. And so I like that because the flakes, I've always found them a little difficult for measuring and dealing with. They just sort of fly everywhere. But these are some nice little beads. And I don't know, I think those are gonna be easier to work with than those flakes that I got in the past. Let's see what kind of wax it said I got. Bulk Eco Soya Q230 Pillar Wax. And I noticed that used to you always got 50 pounds, and now all the waxes is coming in 45 pounds instead of 50. And this may be a thing with shipping. It may be that like UPS has a rate for 50 pounds, and then when you add the box and the label and you know the container, it would put it over 50 pounds, so then you'd have to pay a higher rate on your shipping, and so they're saving people money because like the $50 marks, like 50 pounds is as high as you can get for a certain price. The wax was $77.99. It's heavy, it's 50 pounds. I had, of course, 2 boxes. This one was feather light, and this one, of course, is 45 pounds, very heavy. And I did pay $59.94 for tax. For shipping, and that's UPS ground. I think that sounds appropriate, but if you've bought wax from other places before, or you can compare that shipping. So that's what I paid there. So I paid $77.99 for 45 pounds, $11.96 for 4 packs of 25 on the 5-inch wicks, and I paid for 99 of the cavities. I paid $24.75. So yeah, the shipping's a little bit high for what I actually paid, but it's 45 pounds. 45 pounds sending in the mail is expensive. So that's that. But I really do like the wax in the fact that it's pellet wax. Wish I had a plastic bag for those cavities to be in. Now I'm gonna have to figure out something to put them in to keep them from getting dusty. Which may end up being a cardboard box, and I have to write something on it, but then when you're just walking down the shelves of the supplies, you can't find them as easy because they're in a, like a plastic bag, because you can see through the plastic bag and it's just sitting on the shelf. So it'll cause a little confusion, I think, but we'll just have to work that out. And overall, I'm satisfied. As I said, the website was just a little bit harder to work with than some. I may continue to shop around and see if I can find a website that's a little bit easier to use, but when it comes to the customer service, I was able to call, get a human. They told me where I needed to go on the website. They told me, I think I called them 3 times in the making of this order because it was first order from them, and they helped me beautifully every time. So that was really great. So, all right. So if you need some soap or something, please go to www.essential-soaps.com. And as always, thank you for using my Essential Depot link. I'm not an affiliate with these people, and so, but I give them a 75 out of 100, and maybe after I get used to the website, it'll be better. You might be like totally website savvier than me and have no problem with their website. I had a problem. Anyway, so there you go. So that's where I'm buying candle supplies right now, because Pink Candle went out of business. And I like them too. And their website was easy to use. They had good customer service, but they're gone. All right. Bye, everybody.